Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the top tricks on the ULEFONE Armor X12. Okay, so let's open up the settings. Once we are here, let's scroll down until we find the special function. First thing is a possibility to expand the RAM. Thanks to that, we can gain some RAM space. We can click on Set Virtual RAM. Minimum value is 1 GB, maximum is 3. To activate it, click on Activate and Restart. In my case, I don't need to do it because it's already turned on, and you can see that we have 3 plus 3 GB. In here you can do it. Thanks to that, your system might work smoother. Next cool thing is the 3-finger screenshot, because in most devices the easiest way, the basic way to create a screenshot is by clicking the power button and volume down button, just like that. In here it's also the same, but now we have enabled the 3-finger screenshot, and now all we need to do is to create a screenshot is with slide 3 fingers on the screen, just like that. Really cool way, really fast, and also looks pretty cool. So simply slide 3 fingers on your screen and the screenshot has been automatically taken. Okay, back into the settings. Next thing is the sensor calibration. We have the proximity sensor calibration. We can click on confirm. Okay, calibration completed, and we have also the horizontal calibration. And in here we can also calibrate it. Okay, everything went fine. We can go back. Next thing is a shortcut about opening the camera. To quickly open camera, press the power button twice from any, works from any screen. We can enable it, and it works like a shortcut. So for example, when we are surfing the internet, we can quickly double tap and double click the power button, just like that. I'll show you. Boom. And the camera app launches immediately, and we can start taking the photos. Works pretty nice. Now, for example, I'll open up the Chrome, just the thing that I was just talking about. As you can see, we are using the Chrome, double tap, boom, the camera launches really fast. So it's like a cool shortcut. We don't need to, close the Chrome, look for the camera. We can quickly double tap the power button, and we have access into our camera. Alright, back into the settings once again. Next thing is the gloves mode. Use the switch to switch between gloves mode, enable and disable. So thanks to that, we'll be able to use our device even when we are in gloves. Okay. Also, another thing, double tap to wake. Pretty cool thing. For example, when the phone is lying on a flat surface and when you want to see do we have some notifications, simply double tap and we can see incoming, and we can see the notifications that came to us. I'll show you again. Double tap when the screen is off and it wakes. Okay. My bet, one more thing. And we have also the custom key that is right in here. That's that button. And we can give him a special function. We can set a shortcut. So let's select for the single click first. We have the easy shuttle, and we can also open up the applications. So currently it's on the none. In here we have the all options. We can start the recording, we can open the flashlight, we can take a screenshot, open underwater camera, because we have that on that phone. We can open SOS and open Zillow, but first it requires installing it. So maybe let's begin with opening the flashlight. Let's try how it works for the single click. So let's click, and the flashlight actually launched. Now click, it gets turned off. It is really cool, for example, when you are working with something and you need a source of light. So quickly you take your phone out of your pocket, you just click that yellow button and the flashlight launches immediately. Really, really cool. Because sometimes we need to open up the notification bar, and then here we can also open up the flashlight. But for me, this is more comfortable. Simple click, and the camera launches. For me, really cool thing. Back into the settings. So that was the single click. We can also open the application thanks to that mode. So let's maybe select the YouTube. And let's try how it works. Boom. And the YouTube actually launched. So this key is really cool for creating shortcuts. For me, that's like one of the best features that we have on this device. This quick function button is really cool. Okay, now let's select, actually we need to go back into the settings. Let's select the action for the double click. Oh, not that, my bad. Custom key. And now double click. For example, let it be screenshot. I'll double tapped. And also the screenshot has been taken. Also really comfortable way for taking screenshots. I'll show you again. Boom. Really easy and comfortable. And the last thing is the long press. It opens up the Zillow, but first it needs downloading, so maybe let's try with something else. Maybe let's launch the underwater camera by it. So let's hold. Click on OK. And now the underwater camera launched. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.